Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept invitations on Temu, whether someone sends you a link or a code. So let's get started. So first, let's say someone sends you a Temu invitation link. So just tap on the link and it will take you directly to the Temu app or website. So if you don't have the app yet, download it first. So once the page loads, you'll see a free gift showing on your screen. So tap claim reward and that's it. Once accepted, it will bring you to your own referral game where you can also invite others and start earning. And if someone sends you a Temu code instead of a link, here's what to do. So open your Temu app and make sure you're signed in. And if you don't have an account, just tap on the U tab and go to the settings, then sign up or register and create an account. And after signing in, go to the categories tab at the bottom and then tap the search bar at the top. Now, paste or type the referral code you received. And once you entered it, it will take you to the same kind of reward screen and just follow the instructions and tap to claim or accept the invite. And that's it. You've now accepted their invitation and you can start inviting your friends too. Thank you.